Hey, what's going on, folks? All my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes. I got another box. This one's pretty substantial size. I don't know what's in here, but we're gonna check it out. Let's see. All right, back in. So this box, it has like a pull tab, so maybe that'll make it a little bit easy to get into. Let's see. I could have set this up in a different angle so you guys can see me opening it, but I guess you can hear me opening it. Whew. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's a big box. It's just some coupons and stuff like that. Bubble wrap, and let's see. This first one. What is this? What is this? This is. Oh, this is. What is this? Arabiat. Is that coming in? Arabiat. I think this is supposed to be a clone of something. I think it's supposed to be a clone of Drunk Lovers by Born to Stand Out. I think that's what that is. And let's see. There's another one in here. This one is, this is Teriaq Intense. I've seen Teriaq, Teriaq, or whatever, however it's pronounced. I've seen this, the original one, in Burlington's a few times, but from what I can tell, that one is just more bubble wrap. That one is just okay. I heard that this one is the one that's supposed to be a good one. From what I heard, people said this is the best Lattafa fragrance that Lattafa has made, better than Camera. So I'm gonna jump into this one first. Let's see if it's gonna live up to what I've heard. All right, pretty nice box. What's in the box? What's in the box? So we know what's in the box already. We've already checked it out. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's the box. I have no idea how this is working. Oh, is it a slip cover? Yeah, it looks like it's a slip cover. So this slides out. It's supposed to slide out. At least it looks like it's supposed to slide out. The box itself is kind of feels like it has a little bit of texture, almost like a rubberized. So this slip cover, I guess I could have just tore this off, but just in case it's a nice presentation, I might end up keeping it. But the slip cover has the name on the front, and obviously nothing on the sides. It's open on the sides, and on the back it had the ingredients and other important information. You can pause that if you want to take a look at it, but for right now, I'm not interested in that. The actual box, it has the name there. I'm not sure if that's going to come in, but yeah, there's the name, and then on the sides that has the holographic stamp, and the back and the sides don't have anything. The top does have the Lattafa logo on it. Is that going to come in? There we go. Come in a little bit. And the bottom has more of the information, barcode, and a scanner. Ooh, okay. So it slides out like that. So let's see if I can give you guys a presentation of that. There it goes. Slide out like that. And this box is pretty solid. It feels like it's a mixture between plastic and wood. Like the top part feels like it's plastic, but it might be under, I mean, not plastic and wood, plastic and cardboard. And the underline, it feels like it may be cardboard, but inside, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's like a felt material. So, okay, this bottle, oh, the top is kind of loose on there. Okay. So it sits in there pretty snug. So I guess I ain't have to worry about that falling out. But here's the bottle. Kind of nice. It's kind of substantial in size and in weight. It's kind of thick. And then the top is a black top with a snake wrapped around it. And there's the snake head. And the top does snap into place. It does hold in place. You can't pick it up by the top. Let's go ahead and check this out and see what it smells like. This was a blind buy, totally blind buy. I think it's supposed to have a smell that's in between two different scents. I can't remember which ones they are. Oh, that spray is pretty nice. Oh, okay, this is not what I was thinking. This kind of smells a little bit like angel share. Huh. Really? That's what this is? Is this supposed to be angel share? Like, it smells like angel share, but a little bit spicy. Like, it smells like it's almost supposed to be kind of like Camera, but not exact. Wait, something fresh is coming out. Okay. Gotta go to the skin because that's going to tell the real story. Let's see. Let's check this out. Check this out. See how it is. Got a little bit of alcohol blast. It smells like it has like maybe some caramel in it or something like that. Yeah, it still has that spicy. It smells less like Camera. It doesn't have the same kind of spices as Camera. It has more of like a ginger kind of spice. Okay. So far it's okay. I'm not crazy about it. But I'm gonna let it dry down a little bit and we're gonna go ahead and check this one out and see what this one is. I was actually thinking about getting a sample of the Drunk Lovers just to see how it is, because I kind of had I think I heard something about it. I can't remember, but I was interested in it, so I wanted to get a sample of it. But I was like, all right, I saw this, and if that's what this is, I can't remember, but I will put it in if this is supposed to be a clone of the Drunk Lovers. Okay, so okay, it's a pretty big box. Goodness gracious. So here we go. The front has the name there. Look like almost like a symbol. It's supposed to be almost look like a Africa. Not exactly the same cutout, but there's the back, has a little bit of information on it. Sides have nothing on it. The top has the name, and the bottom has the barcode and the information. And here we go. It opens up like that, and it sits in there kind of like a coffin. This one also has felt. Oh, the front flips down too. Didn't notice that. So that holds it in place, and then this flips down for presentation. Ooh, nice presentation. This presentation is, the inside is a little bit tougher. It's felt covered, but it's like really hard plastic, so it's a little bit different. Alrighty, let's get a spring strip and check out this one. Oh, I'm over here to look at the bottle. There we go, and the top kind of looks like it's supposed to be like a rock formation or something. The top does not snap into place, but it fits really snug, so you can pick it up by the top and not have to worry about it falling off. This fragrance is changing. It's starting to get into something I like. But we'll be back to it in a minute. Let's try this one first. Whoa, pressurized sprayer. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is kind of fresh. I didn't think this was a fresh fragrance. This is nice. Obviously, we gotta go on skin, but it smells good from the strip, so that's a real good sign. So, oh my goodness, that sprayer is crazy. I like it. Let's see. Ooh, it's kind of fruity, fresh, like a airy kind of fresh, not like a lavender, but more of like a musk kind of fresh. Oh man, I kind of dig this. This is nice. This is going to be good for the summertime. So I might be able to get a couple of wears out of it before the cold weather kick in. But this one feels like something for the fall and winter. Yeah, this is getting better. This kind of comes around. Doesn't smell like Camera anymore. It smells like almost like a caramel, kind of sweet, kind of like a dense kind of vibe to it. Almost probably would be like a evening kind of wear kind of fragrance, maybe a date night. Yeah, we're here. I'm gonna jump in and grab the notes and I'll be right back. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back in, and this fragrance, okay, it's smelling to me, it stopped smelling, when I first sprayed it smelled like Camera / Angel Share, more so like Camera with the spiciness. And then after I got on my skin for about the first 5 minutes, it smelled like something different. Like it felt like it was a little fresher or something different. It didn't smell like either one of those. Now it's been a few minutes and it smells like Camera. It smells like Angel Share. So if you have Angel Share or Camera, you don't necessarily need this unless you're just looking for a slight variation, because the notes are a little bit different. And from the notes, I don't pick up what a lot of the things that they have in here for the fragrance. So the notes that they have for Teriaq Intense, the top notes are saffron and bergamot. I do get that freshness in the opening, and that saffron I do get when I first sprayed it. And then for the middle notes, there's plum liqueur and cinnamon. The cinnamon is the spiciness that I was smelling that kind of reminds me of Camera. And then in the base notes are amber, tonka bean, and benzoin. So it's a good fragrance. I'll have to wear it to see what the performance is like, but for right now, it's okay. It's okay. So it's not a bad scent. It's not a good. I mean, it's not a bad scent at all. It's a scent that I like. I like the DNA, but I have maybe about 3 or 4 fragrances with the same DNA. Maybe once I'm wearing it a little bit, the plum will come out a little bit more, so it might be a better. But yeah. And for this one is really, really good. This one's changed a lot. Mahd Al Dhahab by Arabiat Prestige. This one was pretty good. This one's changed, and it smells, wow. The change of this has gotten so much better. It's like a buoyant kind of vibe to it, and I think it has cognac in it, but the cognac is not a deep, rich cognac. It's more of like a way down a little bit, like it's a cognac on rocks, like on the ice. So it's not as strong, as pungent, but man, and it smells like it has saffron in it. Let me get the notes. The notes are right here. Okay, so the top notes, we have spices, lemon, and bergamot. And that's true. When I first sprayed it, it was like a fresh kind of vibe to it. I didn't really smell the spices. It was more of the lemon and the bergamot that I smelled. And then in the middle notes, there's amber, patchouli, and oud. I don't really get the oud, but the amber, yes. That I was thinking it smelled like a candy or something. But yeah. And then in the base notes, there's white musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. Man, so this one becomes really, really good. Whew. This one I think is going to get a lot of play. That one is going to get like play in between the Kamra and Kamra Kawa I have, and then the Angel Knight or something, and then yeah, it's going to get a whole bunch of mixtures in between. But this one, whew, this one is pretty good. I don't know what the performance is like, but it smells really, really, really good. I thought I saw that it had something else in it, like a cognac or something. I can't remember. So this one, yes, is supposed to be kind of close to Drunk Lovers, and surprisingly enough, this one, they said this one is close to Born to Stand Out's Drunk Saffron. So I haven't smelled that one, or I haven't smelled the Drunk Lover either. So I can't tell you how close they are to it, but I can tell you I like this one. I like both of them. The thing about this one, the only thing about this one is just I have a couple of fragrances with this DNA, so it's not to say it's a bad fragrance, but if you have one of the Kamras or Angel Shares or any of those, you probably don't need this. You can get it if you're a collector or something like that, but if you're just your person that's just trying to smell good, you don't need to get this one if you have the other ones. But this one, I would say definitely pick this one up if you're into that kind of vibe of like a musk, kind of fresh. Oh, that's what's the name? This is nice, man. It gets a little warmer, so it may be able to work for the winter time. But for right now, it smells like something that would be like in the transitional seasons. Like this, I think this is going to be really good for the spring and the fall. But that's it. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. Talk about these two fragrances that I just got brand new. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces. This one, Mahd Al Mahd Al Dhahab, Dhahab, Mahd Al Dhahab, Arabite, Prestige. Mahd Al Dhahab by Arabite. Mahd Al Dhahab by Mahd Al Dhahab by Arabite. Oh, God dang it. Mahd Al Dhahab by Arabite Prestige.